morning or afternoon, evening. Depends on when you're going to watch this. Anyway, hey, this is Randy, Mobile Traveler. Right now I'm sitting in a parking lot in the asphalt jungle of Phoenix, Arizona. Not necessarily where I want to be. It's hot, but it's a nice city. I come down here to assist some distant relatives in doing some painting. Needed a little help, and I'm here to help them. Well, the reason I'm doing this video is I had a viewer ask me a question as far as nomads. Why one becomes a nomad. Yeah, I'm not an expert at it, of course. I'm just a country boy from South Dakota. But I have done a little research on the subject, asked some questions. You know, this is what I came up with. Some people are here out of necessity. It's just costs too much money to live sometimes, you know. They're veterans or they're disabled. Some are living on a small pension. Social Security retirement small. And this is a good way to live. It's cheaper than living in your so-called sticks and bricks, or your mortar and bricks, or whatever people want to call it. It's cheaper than living in a house or apartment. That's the way I say. Okay, got to switch hands here. I'm shaky, sorry. Me, myself, I'm here to follow a couple dreams. A couple dreams that never got to be followed. I'm here for my parents. They've always wanted to travel, and then they got too sick, they couldn't. I'm here for my son, Preston. He wanted to live this life, and he passed away last July. Then I'm here for myself. This is very healing for me. It's something I wanted to do for quite some time. So I'm here for that. And I'm here for a little bit out of necessity. It's a lot harder to live in an apartment. It's a lot cheaper to live out here. I got to tell you, my pension that I get is small. But live good. Get to travel, get to see the country. Get to save a little money. Bills are paid, so on and so forth. Anyway, enough about me. I met this one old gal. She was having one heck of a time living in her apartment. She was going down that same dull road. Wake up in the morning, have a cup of coffee, eat a little breakfast, and watch the news. Then, a couple hours later, she'd drink a little bit more coffee, watch the 10 o'clock news. Come noon, she said she would eat a little lunch, start watching soap operas. Now, don't get me wrong, they're fun to watch. Oh, I watched that world turn. Yeah, and days of our lives. Well, these are the days of my life. Anyways, she said that she was bored. She was bored with life. And she watched a few channels on RV living. She couldn't afford an RV, so she got herself a van. and she's living in it. She's living her dream. And she told me that she's happier, healthier, and more financially able to live. She's able to get her medication that she needs to get. So, kudos to her. Met a couple people that are close to 80 years old, and they're out here. They said that they're much, much happier and healthier. And these two old gals that I met, they're both 78 years old and just spry as all get up. And don't get me wrong, this isn't about old people just out here in the middle of nowhere. I've met some younger kids. They're enjoying life. And they're just traveling the country. They have jobs. They work from their RV. Internet work. I don't know how that all works out. Comes to the internet and computers, I'm pretty ignorant. So you can do some research on that one. There's jobs out there for that. Then there's us that, hey, I do an odd job every now and then because I get bored. I don't always do it for pay. Heck, I hardly ever do it for pay. But I don't know if this video is going to make any sense to anybody, because right now it's not making a lot of sense to me. Anyway, Nomad. Why people do it. I'm going to follow up on this. I'm going to do a little bit more investigating, and I'm going to get back to you. Sounds like a fun and exciting thing to do. Anyway, I hope this video finds you all well. And I'll be leaving Phoenix shortly. Then I'll get back to showing y'all some good things. I got some things in mind, so stay tuned. And I'll talk to you later. So just remember, travel on.